Hi everyone, thank you for joining us again today for another episode of Dine with Pizza 9. Today we are going to experiment by making a pumpkin spice pizza. So we have our fresh dough here, and I was gonna try and use pumpkin soup as the pizza sauce, but while I was at the store, I did find pumpkin salsa, so we're gonna use this as our pizza sauce today. It contains your classic salsa ingredients such as tomato, garlic, and jalapeno, but it also had a few sweeter ingredients such as sugar, nutmeg, and molasses. So we'll see how this pumpkin salsa works as our pizza sauce today. I'm excited for it. Next up, I'm gonna put a little bit of mozzarella cheese for our base cheese here, and then follow it up with some eggplant. I figured eggplant would be a great ingredient to complement the pumpkin in our pizza today. And to give it a little extra kick, because it is a pumpkin spicy pizza, we're gonna put some jalapeno down as one of our toppings, and then follow it up with some minced garlic to hopefully counteract the sweeter ingredients in our pumpkin salsa today. And then next up, we have our pumpkin seeds. I will admit, I've only had pumpkin seeds once before. To my knowledge, you can eat the pumpkin seeds, but if you try this at home, you may want to buy shelled ones or de-shell them yourself. Although, I don't know how well that would go. And then we're gonna follow it up with some more cheese and then pop it in the oven. The pumpkin spicy pizza definitely has an interesting taste. I don't know if you will see this on our Pizza 9 menu anytime soon, but it is definitely better than I thought it would be. If you try this recipe at home, please let us know. Comment down below, subscribe for more videos, and let us know what recipes we should try out next. Thank you again for joining us today for this episode of Dine with Pizza 9, and we will see you next time.